If you're a marketer who's ever had to file a ticket with your data team just to answer a question about last month's orders, this video is for you. I'll show how Adobe Marketing Agent for Microsoft 365 Copilot brings customer journey analytics data directly into Microsoft Teams, so you can ask questions in plain English and get a chart back in seconds. I'll play the role of a marketer who's infrequently used customer journey analytics directly. Most of my work happens in Microsoft 365, including Teams, and up until now, I've relied on data analysts to answer my questions. With Adobe Marketing Agent and the Data Insights Agent, I can ask those questions myself, right here in Teams. First, I want to understand what orders for my company looked like last December. I'll type, "Show orders last December by day of week." The Data Insights Agent looks through the data available, the metrics, the dimensions, the time ranges, and translates my prompt into the right query. It picks the relevant dimension, metric, date range, and visualization type for the question I asked. And here's the result: a bar chart showing orders by day of week for December. I can see right away that Monday, Tuesday, and Sunday stand out as the highest volume days. Now let's follow that up. I'd like to break those December orders down by store. I'll type, "Share of orders by store name last December." The agent builds a donut chart showing the breakdown by store. Houston is clearly leading the pack. That big slice on the chart is mapped to Houston, and it's driving most of our December orders. Let's switch topics and look at revenue. I want to see the general trend over the past 6 months. I'll ask, "Trend revenue for the last 6 months." Again, the Data Insights Agent pulls data from the data view I have access to and brings it back into the chat, with a line visualization and a data table. I can see revenue by month, and December stands out as the highest revenue month. Finally, I want to dig a little deeper into revenue and compare by product category. I'll type, "Proportion of revenue by product category for the last 6 months." Here's the breakdown: hunting, fishing, and camping revenue for the last 6 months. Hunting stands out as the category with the highest revenue. And if I cross-reference with the earlier chart, I can see most of December's revenue is coming from that category too. 4 questions, 4 answers, all in a couple of minutes, without leaving Teams and without filing a single request with my data team. That's the Data Insights Agent inside Adobe Marketing Agent for Microsoft 365 Copilot. To see more of what marketers do with the agent day to day, watch the Marketing Workflows video. To learn how to set it up for your team, see the Get Started video. Thanks for watching.